The Symphonisk picture frame speaker. So I've had these for years now, actually, since release. I have them at home and at the office. They come in a sort of black color and a light gray color. I had the light grey colour here specifically, and it is pretty much a Sonos speaker that is built to look like a picture frame. It always surprises people when I tell them that it's a speaker, they just don't expect it whatsoever. The front cover can be taken off too and replaced with different artwork if you like. With it being a partnership with Sonos, it of course works with the Sonos app, so it will work like any other Sonos speaker. So you can have multiple picture frames around the home, all pumping out the same music. Sound quality is surprisingly good. It's not going to beat a proper Sonos speaker, but it sounds better than you would think, and it can deliver a surprising amount of bass. I'm actually quite impressed the amount of bass that comes out of this thing. As a complementary speaker, it works and sounds great. There's also the Symphonisk speaker lamp, which is in the same lineup as the picture frame. But yeah, it does everything that the picture frame does, of course, but it's designed to look like a lamp instead. So you can put it on a bedside table, a desk, or a sideboard. I love seeing products like this, where you take sort of everyday things like a lamp or a picture frame and add tech to them. They blend in much better with the interior. The base of the speaker has a sort of fabric mesh material on it. It's actually quite light, it's not as heavy as you think. And then the lampshade that I've gone for is a sort of dark grey, and it just fits a normal ordinary bulb inside.